Hello everybody, my name is Tina and today I will be unbagging my Ipsy Plus, which came pretty early. Ipsy Glam bag is also coming and it actually came super early. So this is for October 2020. So let's get into it. Make sure nothing's in there. Okay, so this is the bag. I love the bag. So I knew I wanted this bag because I liked how it looked. And on the other side it says your magic. And there's some hairs. Okay. I'm glad they changed these bags up because all the bags started looking like the Glam bag. Okay, so the first item I have is by Miss Cho, I don't know how to say it, Beauty. And I picked this item because there was nothing else I liked. We got the top coat, and then we have very pale pink. And this is in the shade Unbothered. I do not like these pastel color nail polishes. I don't use them. I usually like darker ones. But like I said, that's the only thing about the Plus. You can choose 3 items, but they give you 3 sections to choose from. You can't, they don't like give you, say there's 20 items for that month. They don't give you 20 items and then you get to pick the 3. They give you like 3 items. Sorry, that's my cat. Move along. They give you 3 items and say, here, pick one of these. Which I don't like, because if you don't like either, you don't like any of them, you got to pick something. Which sucks. Well, I guess you don't have to pick something and then they'll pick for you. I don't know if they're going to pick out of those 3 items or they're going to pick something at random. Now that I might check that out and see how that works. But I'm going to put it down here and let it dry a little bit so we can see, because sometimes they do come out a little darker than they show, but I doubt it. So we're going to move that over here so it's out the way. Okay, so the next item I got is from Très Chic, which is a Define, which is an eye crayon. Now, I chose this, and I have a few items from this brand, and I really don't like this brand, but like I said, there wasn't really a good choice for me. And this is in the shade Espresso. But I did get this because it's a brow. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, it's a brow pencil, so that's why I picked it, because I'm looking for a good brow pencil. So far, there's one that I kind of like, but I'm looking for like a cream pencil. And the one that I kind of like is not a cream pencil. Okay, so, and it's hard as a rock, which I was afraid of. But that is the shade, because that's another thing. Usually these pencils that aren't like creamy are really hard. And then on this side, oh, okay. I thought it was just the, once you see the bristles, I thought it was just the bristles, but it actually has stuff in it, so you could use either one or both, however you want it. Okay, so I might give that a try. I might try to do both, but this is really hard though. That's the only thing about that one. So I'm not too sure about that item. Okay, so the next item is, this is the third thing that I chose by Jules Smith Beauty. I think that's what it's called. And it's an eyeshadow palette. I kind of like the packaging. But it's like, I don't know, it's like cheap plasticing. There's no mirror, which sucks. And there's 5 shades. You could have added 2 more shades right here. And there's no, like, little, whatchamacallit, to dip in it. I can't think of the word. But anyway. Oh, they feel nice, though. Not creamy, but like not hard either. Okay, so that one's kind of, here are the colors. I like that pink one. That one's really pretty. And the gold one. This brown one, if you can see, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like little pieces right here. You're going to get a lot of fallout with that one. Okay, I'll definitely try this to see how I like it. Okay, oh, I forgot about the card. Okay, so this month is Your Magic. And there's nothing in here to say the prices or anything. The next item is from Tarte. It's a high performance natural shape tape setting powder. Okay. Okay. And it's in translucent. Let's open it up. Okay, I don't think I've ever tried their setting powder. There's a little mirror and a little pad thing. I don't use these, so I don't care about that. And that's what the color of the translucent. I don't want to open it and get it all over the place. But I will try this out. And the last item that I have is from Lovecraft Beauty, a highlighter palette. Which is cool because I like getting highlighter. Okay, so there's a little tiny mirror. And these are the shades. So let's go in here. Ooh, they look pretty. They're right here. I don't know if you can see them. And they're in the shade Aurora and Borealis. I don't know how to say that. Okay, I don't think I've ever gotten anything from Lovecraft Beauty. So I'm excited to try that. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy Plus. Let's see if this dried. Okay, it is somewhat dry. And as you can see, it's a glossy. Some are matte, but this one is definitely glossy. And it sticks to the color. It doesn't get any darker or anything like that. I might use it, but I rarely go to pastel colors. And usually when they give me a nail polish in Ipsy, it's usually pastel. I don't know why. So, if you want to see what I got in my glam bag, please subscribe, and I will see you next time.